Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Netflix screen with others. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to share your Netflix screen and watch with others, you will need to install the Teleparty application. Open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store and then search for the Teleparty app. Once you find the application, tap on the install button, and once the application has been installed, tap on the open button to open up the Teleparty app. Once you open up the Teleparty application, you will simply need to tap on Netflix and then log in using your credentials. After logging in using your credentials, you will be signed in to your account and you can browse through the various different shows. You can tap on the party option at the bottom right corner, and if you haven't already selected a show, you can use the browse feature and then choose any show that you want to watch. You can then tap on the play option and this will immediately start your watch party with the show that you just selected. If you wish to share this with someone, then you can tap on the add user icon alongside the send message box and you will receive the link that you can share with your friends, which they can tap on in order to join your watch party right away. And there you have it. That is how you can share your screen on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.